Hello and welcome to another quick update about Chiliz. Chiliz is still doing what we talked about in the previous video. There isn't really any sort of major change here going on or anything. This is still what it seemed like before. So basically a wave 1 to the upside here that occurred in 5 waves. This was our entry point. Talked yesterday about 2 take profit areas here, and it reached a higher one with the accuracy of whatever 0.1 of a cent, then came down. I gave you the trend lines that if we break below the trend line, it's probably coming down. And I think that's where we are now. I think we are heading down this C wave of 2 at the moment. This will remain my view until we break above the yellow trend line again. So there's quite a bit of a way to go at the moment. And my view is that in this wave 2, obviously it makes sense to consider that as an ABC pattern, a correction, and it looks like that this is exactly what we're doing. I'm going to the 30-minute chart. Looks like we peaked here in this 5th wave of 1. We're now coming down in wave 2. This would be the next entry area that could be used before we really rally in wave 3. And this is based on the Fibonacci retracements of the wave 1. Looking at the area between 19.9 cents and 22.6. Between the 78.6% fib level and the 50%. If it goes below the 78.6% fib level, it will already get less likely that it's going to work out. But at the moment, I have no reason to believe it wouldn't work out. So it, at the moment, looks like that we came down here in an A wave. We currently, we did the completion of the B wave, and we're now heading down in wave C. The C wave consists obviously of 5 waves. So we'd be looking at something like 1 here, 2 there, 3, 4, and 5 to finish off this overall C wave of the wave 2. Alternatively, I would consider this here currently as a wave B triangle. That's the other option. Yeah, wave Bs can be triangles, but it's the less likely option just purely because simple ABC in a wave B is more frequent. So, nothing's stopping us from printing here some kind of an Elliott wave triangle on the chart, like a wave A, B, C, D, E, and we would then break to the downside. This is possible because the price action makes it, or at least makes the impression that we are in some kind of a triangle here, which could obviously break out to the downside. That would be the expectation, but again, it could just be AB, and we're now putting a 1-2 setup in, which would then come down in a wave 3 next. If we come down in wave 3 next, just want to give you a rough target for the 3rd wave. Would be 22.9 cents, the 1.618 extension, but that would only be a 3rd wave of the wave C. There will be a wave 4 and a wave 5. So I believe this area is quite, makes quite some sense. But yeah, that's where we are at the moment, right? Is an earlier breakout to the upside possible? Yes, it is. And the first indication for that would be a move above the B wave high at 25.7 cents, and then we take it from there. If we directly break out, confirmation for that would be a move above 24.5 cents. Don't see it yet. Yeah, there is not really any sort of bullish signal here. Also because the move up from the low was rather corrective. So I'm looking for further downside here. And a confirmation that we move down further would be a break of the 24.2 cent level. Okay, and that's my update about Chiliz. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.